Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And I want to say thank you so much for stopping by my channel and just getting more information about how you can earn $600 a day with this side hustle for the summer. If you are looking to earn additional income, you want to stay to the end of the video because not only am I going to share proof with you, I'm going to show you how you can actually duplicate my results to start earning money consistently using this online method. This is really unique and it's something that I've been doing over the last 3 or 4 months, not too long. But what I like about it is that it's duplicatable, newbie friendly, and you can actually start putting this to work as quickly as tomorrow. So what I want to do first is start out by sharing my results. And the reason why is because I think it's important for people to know and see that the system actually works. And then from there, I'm going to show you what you will actually be doing to start actually earning with this program. Okay. So let me just share my screen here and I'm going to pull up some of the payments that I have received. So this is my account. This is my name here. This is my Google account. And right now it is July 6th. And what I'm going to do is bring up the receipts that I received from the payments that I received today. So here I have a $150 payment that came in just 1 hour ago. Right here, I have another $150 payment that came in 2 hours ago. And then I have another payment here that came in of $300 just 6 hours ago. Okay. So basically that's a $600 day. And some days it's a little bit more and some days it's a little bit less. So what you're going to actually be doing is posting ads. And what I like about this is that you can do them yourself. If you don't know how to do that, you can actually go to Fiverr and have it done for you. I'm going to show you what these ads should look like and what they should say. And what you can do is basically duplicate this information by utilizing what you see and sending it over to Fiverr. So if you go into banner creations and type this into Fiverr, into the search engine, and what's going to come up is different people that can make banners for your page. So here we have this person, it's a level 1 seller. They're only charging $5 for these social media post banners. Okay. And that's what you're going to need. If you want somebody with a little bit more experience, you can go for a level 2 seller and use someone that may have a little bit more experience. Okay. So what you can also put in is social media post. Okay. So if you type in social media post, what's going to come up here is different people that will write social media posts for you and different people that were created with pictures as well. So here I will create your social media content and posts for $10. Okay. This person is a level 2 seller, have over 325 reviews, 5 stars. That's someone you want to go to. Maybe you don't want to pay $10. You can look for someone that's starting out at $5. Okay. Or maybe someone that can give you 3 or 5 or design more for you at a lower price. So here we have this person that will create 35 attractive social media post designs to grow your business for just $10. Okay. And this is really good. 46 reviews. It has 5 stars. You're going to get 5 attractive social media post designs for Instagram, Facebook, or any other social platform. You have here 20 attractive social media posts for $50. And then you have the premium that's going to give you 35 for $120. So you could start off with the basic and just do 5. You're going to be putting up at least 1 post per day to your social media account. Or if you want to just go with 20, and that'll pretty much last you for most of the month. Because I don't post on weekends, only during the week. You can get them for $50. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to send to them what you want the post to look like. So in the description below, it's going to give you the information about the opportunity. But not only that, the company will provide you with some ads to post. What I'd love to do is make them unique and creative. And I want them to brand me, right? Because when you have them, when they're looking like everyone else's stuff, they're not going to convert the way that you want. People are not going to really look at them. You want them to stand out. So I just want to show you some of the posts that I've had created on Fiverr, and it stands out. Some have my payment proof on it. I had a day where I made $2,900 in 3 days, right? And I had this created, which just has my proof. I had sent that over along with my picture, and they made this for me. Okay. If you want to do maybe a motivational post where you give value and give information to people that inspires them and move them, you can do something like this, right? So I have another picture of myself along with the background and just a quote. Okay. And then you can do ones like this. Again, this is me and my daughter. They put us in this beautiful background. Again, it has my payment proof where I had a $1,200 day. And this is a banner that I had created on Fiverr. Okay. Then we have this, which is a motivational quote. A mentor is someone who allows you to see hope inside yourself. And again, this is just a picture of me with this beautiful background with this quote on it. And then here I have another one of me with another great background that just says success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. And what this does is it motivates people, it inspires them. And then when you give them proof that you are making money online, it just allows them to want to check out what it is that you're doing. Now, one of the things that I want to share with you is that you're not going to start off with proof right away. No one does. What you do is you build up posts and people will just come to you because of the beautiful posts that you put up. As long as they're creative, they're vibrant, they stand out, you are going to get people that are going to want to know what you do. They're going to want to connect with you. You're going to build a know, like, and trust factor where people are going to just start buying from you. Okay. So that's how I'm able to make $600 days. I have $1,200 days. Sometimes I just have $300 days, but it all adds up because over time, I'm accumulating more people by putting more of these ads up. And what I highly suggest is that you give them your name and tell them you want your name on it. It could be down at the bottom of the banner. It doesn't have to be in the middle. It could be smaller, but you want to give them your name so that they can add that also to your banner. You want to be doing this and working on putting up banners at least 4 to 5 days a week. You want to stay consistent. And again, if you want to get more information about what it is that I'm doing, you can just click on the description below and you'll see information about the program that I'm in and what it is that I do. Again, we're posting ads on social media and making money literally just about every single day. Okay. So if you're looking for a great side hustle for the summer, you want to make additional income, or even if you're looking to replace your income, you can do so using this method that I just showed you. And again, if you have no experience with making banners yourself, maybe you're not that tech savvy, you can always go to Fiverr and have someone create beautiful customized banners for you. And then all you need to do is actually start posting them. You can use any social media platform that you want to post these banners. And if you're consistent, you will start to see the money roll in. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you another day and another time with another great motivating video. So I'm hoping that this inspired you to actually start looking at an online business opportunity, to start working from home and building wealth from home, working for yourself and doing something different to support yourself and your family. So thank you so much. And I hope you have a great day.